Hi, I'm Sam. Welcome to Ateneo de Davo's Moodle training. I'll be your course technician for this tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to add a page resource. In the course section, at the top right corner of the screen, click Turn Editing On. Scroll down, click Add an activity or resource. Look for a page resource and click it. As you can see on the screen, this is what you will see when you add a page. A page resource creates a link to a screen that displays the content created by the teacher. So name, this is where we write the title of your page, where the students see in the course page. For example, we will type in online education. You can put description here in this text box. If you want to display the description on the main course page, just click this box. Otherwise, you may leave it blank. The page content text field is required. Add your page content here. For example, we will type in, this course is about the advantages of online education. Aside from text, you can insert an image, insert audio and video, record audio and video, or upload video and audio. Appearance, you can use the default setting. Common module settings, leave it in its default option, show on course page. The activity or resource is available to students. Restrict access, you can use the default setting for now. Activity completion allows the page to be tracked manually or automatically based on a certain conditions. You can select do not indicate activity completion. Students can manually mark the activity as completed or show activity as complete when conditions are met. To support an asynchronous mode of learning, let's select the option Show activity as complete when conditions are met. The activity will only be considered complete when all conditions are met. In this case, after a student has opened and viewed this page. Then click Student must view this activity to complete it. You can also set a deadline when the activity is expected to be completed by the student. To do this, just click Enable. For our example, we will set the deadline on October 28, 11:50 a.m. Once you are done, save and click Return to Course. Your page activity has been created. I hope you learned something from this tutorial. I enjoyed sharing these tips with you. Leave us feedback and please subscribe to this channel and check out our other video tutorials as well. Enjoy learning. Thank you.